Why are Indians not happy? Friends, do you know, people in Finland are considered to be among the happiest and healthiest in the world. According to the 2024 World Happiness Report, Finland ranks as the happiest country globally, with a score of 7.741 out of 10. The report attributes Finland's high ranking to several factors, including strong social support systems. Finns tend to have close relationships with family and friends, which contributes to their overall sense of well-being. High standard of living. Finland offers excellent education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, which enables its citizens to enjoy a high quality of life. Low corruption levels. Finland is known for its transparency and accountability, which fosters trust in institutions and contributes to citizens' happiness. Other countries that consistently rank high in terms of happiness and health include Denmark, Iceland, Sweden, and Norway. These countries tend to prioritize social welfare, education, and healthcare, which are key factors in determining overall happiness and well-being. Where does India stand? India currently ranks 126 out of 143 countries in the 2024 World Happiness Report. This ranking is based on factors such as social support, income, health, freedom, generosity, and the absence of corruption. Compared to its neighboring countries, India's ranking is lower, with China at 60, Nepal at 93, Pakistan at 108, Myanmar at 118, Sri Lanka at 128, and Bangladesh at 129. India's poor performance can be attributed to various factors, including growing economic inequality, inadequate public health spending, and a lack of trustworthy social support systems. Some other factors that may contribute to India's low ranking include income inequality. This can lead to insecurity, anxiety, and hopelessness. Long working hours. These can contribute to stress and burnout. Job insecurity. This can contribute to stress and burnout. Competitive job market. This can contribute to stress and burnout. Mental health crisis. This has been exacerbated by the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Additionally, India's ranking has been falling over the years, dropping 11 spots from 2017 to 2021. What does India need to do? To improve its ranking, India can learn from the happiest countries, such as Finland, which prioritizes education, social welfare, and trust in government. By addressing its underlying issues and adopting a more holistic approach to well-being, India can work towards improving the happiness and well-being of its citizens. What can other countries do? To perform better, other countries can learn from the best practices of top-performing countries like Finland, Denmark, and Norway. Here are some strategies that can help. Education. 1. Invest in education. Provide high-quality education, focusing on equity, inclusivity, and student well-being. 2. Teacher training and support. Offer ongoing training and support for teachers to enhance their skills and pedagogy. 3. Emphasize STEM and critical thinking. Foster a strong foundation in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, as well as critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Healthcare. 1. Universal healthcare. Implement a universal healthcare system, ensuring access to quality healthcare for all citizens. 2. Preventive care. Focus on preventive care, promoting healthy lifestyles, and providing regular checkups and screenings. 3. Mental health support. provide accessible mental health support services, reducing stigma and promoting well-being. Social welfare. 1. Social safety nets. Establish comprehensive social safety nets, including unemployment benefits, housing support, and childcare services. 2. Income equality. Implement policies to reduce income inequality, such as progressive taxation, minimum wage laws, and social welfare programs. 3. Community engagement. Foster community engagement and social connections through public programs, community centers, and volunteer opportunities. Economy and governance. 1. Diversified economy. Develop a diversified economy, encouraging innovation, entrepreneurship, and foreign investment. 2. Good governance. Ensure good governance, transparency, and accountability, with a strong focus on anti-corruption measures. 3. Invest in infrastructure. Invest in modern, sustainable infrastructure, including transportation, energy, and communication systems. Environmental sustainability. 1. Renewable energy. Transition to renewable energy sources, such as wind, solar, and hydropower. 2. Sustainable practices. Promote sustainable practices, including reducing waste, increasing recycling, and conserving natural resources. 3. Environmental protection. Establish and enforce strong environmental protection laws, preserving natural habitats and ecosystems. By implementing these strategies, countries can improve their performance in various areas, ultimately enhancing the well-being and happiness of their citizens. What is your opinion? Let me know in the comments. Like and share the video. Do subscribe to the channel. Take care.